I will start. Go.
Mammals have two kidneys, which are fed by the renal artery and the renal vein. Each kidney is composed of two main regions, the renal cortex and the renal medulla. Each in turn is composed of structures called nephrons. Arterioles converge into and a ball-shaped structure of capillaries in the nephron called the glomerulus in the Bowman's capsule. Blood pressure pushes out about 20% of plasma volume into a mixture called filtrate. Filtrate is composed of water, bicarbonate, potassium, glucose, amino acid, and urea. From the Bowman's capsule, filtrate moves into the proximal tube, where sodium ions, amino acids, and glucose are actively removed to the bloodstream, and water, potassium, bicarbonate, and chloride ions diffuse. This changes blood pH. After the proximal tubule, filtrate moves into the loop of Henle. In the descending loop of Henle, right over here, the surrounding interstitial fluid is hyperosmotic to the filtrate, and water moves out of the fluid. In the ascending loop, sodium chloride is moved out into the interstitial fluid, both passively and actively, further diluting the filtrate. In the distal tubule, the interstitial fluid is filled with more ions and molecules, including hydrogen ions, potassium ions, and urea. Finally, in the collecting tube, the fifth section, the hormone ADH works to regulate the amount of aquaporins present, which in turn regulates the amount of water that is reabsorbed to the bloodstream.